I found a new AI tool, guys. This tool gives you access to generate your video using these best models. Okay, there are some AI tools that until you subscribe, you cannot create any videos at all. But the tools I'm giving you today, you can actually generate with it without having to subscribe first. Okay, and then if you like it, you cannot go on and pay for the subscription on the platform. But let's get right into this tutorial, guys. You already know how we do it here. So, guys, I'll just go ahead to ChatGPT to get a short prompt that I'm going to use to show you this tutorial. Okay, I just said write a 3D Pixar style story, one scene African drama prompt for me. I want her crying and talking to the photo frame of her late mom, 16:9 aspect ratio, and of course add image prompts, 3D style, Pixar style, animation prompt, dialogue, and camera movement, and of course sound effects. So this is how you prompt your AI to give you very good detailed scripts so that your AI videos don't come out looking shabby, right? Now look at it, mom, I still need you. I still need you. You gave it a title for scene one. It just described a one beautiful decorated African living room at night. This is the image prompt. The image prompt means the girl's prompt, right? Now, this is the animation prompt, what you should be doing. You say, animate the young lady slowly trembling as she cries, tears rolling down naturally down her cheeks. She gently lifts the photo frame with both hands. So this is what she's going to be doing. You understand? You need animation prompts to make your script look natural. And then this is the dialogue. Mom, I don't know how to do this without you. She breaks down staring at the photograph. And then she says, you promised you would always be here when I needed you. So yeah, this is it. I miss you so much. This is it. Camera movement. This is the established movement of different shots showing how she's reacting and how the rooms look and everything. So you need the sound effect and the audio effect as well. So what I would do is I would just go ahead and download and copy this prompt. Okay, I'll copy it and I'll click on copy, right? And then I'll ask ChatGPT to generate it. Let's see what it says. It says I'm out of images. So yeah, no need to worry. You can actually generate your image using, so you can use Gemini to generate your image, or you can use Flow AI. Okay, when you paste it here, just say generate it, and then you click on send, and you wait for Gemini to generate it for you. Okay, so when it comes in, most times Gemini has a watermark, but you can actually push that out when you are editing your video using CapCut, or you can use a magic eraser to remove it, okay, before you generate your videos, of course. Now look at it. It didn't come out right. Are you seeing what AI is doing? It gave it 3 ants. Are you seeing it? So this is why I have to generate it again. I actually like this a lot. So you can just go on and say remove the hand on her chest. Do you understand? Let's see if that will remove it. Remove the hand on her chest. You have to make sure your picture is okay before you start generating a video with it. Do you understand? Click send and wait for it to regenerate it. But if it doesn't work, then you prompt it all over again from the starting. AI is something, that is why AI is crazy. That's why you need to make sure you prompt your videos rightly. Do you understand? Else your video will just come out looking really, really bad. Now look at it, okay? I want you guys to see the frame. I would have said they should face the frame to herself, but it's okay like this, so you can understand what she's looking at. Do you understand? So I can get to see it clearly. Now I'll just save the picture. You can just go on and download it and click on this save to save the picture to your phone. Okay, now let me quickly show you how to remove the watermark. Now all you have to do is to import the picture into CapCut. Okay, this is CapCut. Now what you do, you select aspect ratio, or you can even click on it, tap the picture and just zoom in a little. Are you seeing it? And then the watermark is gone. Are you seeing the watermark is gone? You can just go on and take a screenshot to save it. It's as simple as this. Even if you don't have access to watermark remover, okay? Look at it. This is how you save your pictures. When you screenshot it, just trim it out. Do you understand? Just trim it out and you are good to go. Okay? Make sure you don't trim off the important parts. Are you seeing it? You are good to go. Save the picture. So we have removed the watermark quickly using CapCut. Okay? I just clicked on new project and that's all I did. Now, the watermark is off. We'll go back to ChatGPT to copy our scene one image. Okay, so whether you have long videos to generate, this is the same procedure you're going to use. Okay, now I'll just come back here and I'll start from, I already have my image prompt. Okay, I'll start from this animation prompt because this is what she's doing presently. Do you understand? We have generated our pictures already. So I'll just download, I'll just copy everything and click on copy. Okay, now let's head over to Chrome so that I will show you the AI tool that gives you access to different models of Seedance, although they don't cost the same thing. So let me just go and show you so you understand what I'm saying, okay? So this is the platform we're using for this tutorial. When you come in, when you open this platform, okay, you can check the link in my description. You can check the link in my comment section. I will leave our community where you can get access to this prompt, the website for this used in this tutorial, okay? Now make sure you log in, okay, by using your Google account to sign in, of course. So I'll just select my preferred Google account, right? So I'm signed in already with my Google account, okay? When you sign in newly as a new, you get 68 free credits to try out this platform. So just click on start generating. Make sure you click on this so you can get your free credit, okay? Now these are just the rules and regulations. Agree to every one of them and you are able to start, so you can start generating using this platform. So yeah, I'm signed in already. As you can see, I've got my 68 credits to try out this platform. So make sure your own is at this AI video. Are you seeing it? There are so many options here. Click on this AI video. Then this place that has Seedance 2.5. It means you're going to need 84 credits to try out Seedance 2.5. And it's understandable because Seedance 2.5 actually gives you access to 30 seconds long video. So yeah, 84 credits is still not even that expensive for that length of video. Right now, we'll click on it because we don't have 84 credits. We are going to use other models. If you see this Seedance 2.0, click on freestyle creation. It's saying 36 credits. It's still very high. The Seedance 2.0 mini, I mean. Then this is Seedance 2.0. Freestyle creation is showing 56 credits. Let's try out Seedance 1.5 Pro. It's about 10 credits if you use image to video. Are you saying it's about 10 credits? So we use Seedance 1.5 Pro. And trust me, guys, the output is still very good. That's what I created that video you just watched with, okay? I'll click on image to upload the image. Click on local upload. You have to select the model first before uploading your image. Else, it will not save, okay? It will not save if you don't select the model first before your image. You have to select the model first. Now the image is loaded already. Click on this 480 pixels to choose your aspect ratio and the rest. 480 pixels for the resolution, 5 seconds for the duration. Now there's nowhere to select aspect ratio on this platform. Click on these two dotted lines. The output is 1. And of course, generate video with audio. Make sure yours is turned on so that your videos will talk, okay? Now, because there's no way to select aspect ratio, make sure your picture chooses your aspect ratio correctly. Do you understand? Now, go ahead and paste your prompt. I already copied mine, right? I already copied mine. I'll just go on and paste it right here. I'll go on and paste it. Click on back to remove the keyboard, to collapse the keyboard, right? And everything is ready. I'll just go on and click on generate. And my video will start generating, guys. Look at it. So this platform gives you access to generate your videos. If you use this particular model, I'm going to be showing you a bonus AI tool that is still working up till now in this video, okay? Let our video just generate and I'll show you exactly the next platform that we're going to be using. Are you seeing it? We have 58 credits left already. So that gives us access to generate extra 5 videos, making it 6 videos. Are you seeing it? Some platform doesn't really give enough like this. They don't even give up to this. So yeah, we can make do with what we have. AI tools are becoming scarce by the day, guys. But don't worry, whenever I come across a new platform, I will definitely show you every time, okay? Now, the video is ready. Let's go on and play the video. Are you seeing it? Let's play it. Let's make it full screen, okay?
Mom, I do not know how to do this without you. I miss you so much, Mom.
Are you seeing it? So don't make your dialogue too long. Mine was almost too long. That's why they had to cut that last month. But it's all good. Just go on and download it using this icon right here. Click on download video, not download GIF, but download video, okay? And it will be saved to your phone. So this is basically how to use this platform. It's a new platform and I think you should start using it right away, guys. The video is saved already. Now let me show you the bonus platform that I wanted you to know that it's still working, okay? Now it's asking you to log in. Just continue with your Google account, okay? I'll go on and pick my preferred Google account. It's asking to confirm your age if you are above 18. So just say yes. Now look at it. We are here already. We'll just go on and click on this AI creation. Are you seeing it? Click on the AI creation. You can actually upload your image. You can also select models. Now let's go ahead and select the models first. Clicking this Seed Dream. You see the model Seed Dream 5.0 Pro, Seed Dream 4.5. That's for the image, okay? But you have to toggle it to this video. Are you seeing it? Toggle it to this video part. It's very important so you don't make a mistake when you're generating. Now click on it again and you see that there's Seedance 2.5, 5 times credit. Are you seeing it? This one gives you Seedance 2.5, 2.0 fast, 1.0. Okay, let's try the Seedance 2.5 here and see what it gives us, okay? I'll go on and paste my, I'll go on and put my image. So I'll select my image and then I'll paste prompts. I'll paste the same prompt I used earlier for this as well, okay? So the image is loaded already. I'll just go on and click on send and I'll wait for it to start generating. So $AI is just like ChatGPT. You can actually chat with it right here, generate your script, and of course, generate the image, the videos and the images right here. That's why you're seeing new chats. It's just like ChatGPT. You tell it your ideas and it can also give you your videos right away. So your video is being generated. Please wait a moment rather. The video will be generated using Seedance 2.5. It will use 4 points and be ready in 5 minutes. I'll send it to you when it's done. You still have 0 points left today. Because we used a higher model, are you seeing that it took all of our points? So you could have actually, so you can actually use a model that is not so high, especially if you are using the free versions of all these platforms. That's why I use that Seedance 2.5, so you can see that it takes more credit to use, okay? So if you are trying to work on a budget, you can actually use the lower versions of these models like Seedance 2.0, 1.5 Pro, and the others. Do you understand? So the points are already exhausted for this one. But if you use less model, you will have up to 5 or 4 videos every single day per email, of course. Do you understand? So guys, our video is ready. As you can see right here, you say
your video is ready, you can just go on and play it and download the video. Look at this icon, it means you can download the video. Are you seeing it? You can click on these three dotted lines and download the video. Make it so it will be saved to your phone first before anything at all. Are you seeing it? This one gave it a different feel. Okay, you can just go on and download it, so it will be saved to your phone. So this is basically how to use this platform, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.
Guys, you've seen it. I hope it has been helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I really appreciate every one of you coming back to this channel to watch videos. And let me know if you learned anything at all today. Thank you for watching. Peace out. Share the video, guys. Let other people get a hold of this, okay? Bye.
Mom, I do not know how to do this without you. I miss you so much, Mom. I miss you, Mom.